Everyone thinks this war is bad for markets. But what if one stock actually benefits from it? Can L&T be that hidden winner? L&T is one of the most interesting companies in this situation because the same factor that creates risk for it can also create opportunity. And if you stay till the end, you will understand both the sides, the risk and the hidden. Let's simplify L&T first. It is not just a construction company. It builds infrastructure, energy project, oil and gas facility, large scale government project, and most importantly, it works heavily in the Middle East. Now, here is the key number. Around 37% of L&T's order book comes from the Middle East. In some estimates, nearly half of its order book is linked to that region. So, this raises a very important question. Is that good or dangerous? Let's first understand why the stock is falling. Because when war-like conditions increase, projects can get delayed, execution risk increases, new orders slow down, and markets don't like uncertainty. That is why L&T fell sharply recently. Stock dropped significantly due to Middle East exposure concerns. But here is where things get interesting. Despite all this fear, 95% of L&T's operations are still running normally. Only about 5% projects are impacted. So, the actual disruption is much smaller than the fear. Now, let's flip the perspective. What happens after the conflict? Rebuilding, infrastructure rebuild, energy investments increase, and governments will spend more. And who executes these projects? Companies like L&T. Now, look at this. L&T has a massive order book, 3.8 trillion rupees. International orders contribute 55% of the inflows. This gives visibility even during uncertainty. So now you have two realities. When we talk of the risk, there is high Middle East exposure, war uncertainty, and execution delays. And now when we talk of the opportunity, there is strong order book, limited current disruption, and potential post-war rebuilding demand. So which one matters more? Markets react to short-term fear, but businesses play out over the long term. And right now, L&T is sitting exactly between these two. This is not a simple bullish or bearish story. This is a situation where risk and opportunity exist at the same time.